Hey guys, how you doing? Let's take a detour from car crafting stuff for a minute and check out this vise I bought cheap. Guy has some tools for sale the other day. I checked them out and I stumbled upon this vise I bought for 10 bucks. For 10 bucks, you can't go wrong. I love this flat platform on the back. It's got a really nice area for pounding on stuff, shaping sheet metal, what have you. So for 10 bucks, you can't go wrong. It had a broken jaw though. If you notice, this jaw is intact. This one is missing. I actually have the jaw right here. It was broken off right at the second bolt hole. So it was missing about, I don't know, about an inch of the end. So I popped it out and I found a piece of scrap, 3/4 by 1/2 inch stock in my shop this morning. And I angle ground it and welded it on. And now what I'm gonna do is cut it off to length, machine it down on my milling machine, and then I'll try to fake in these diamond shaped areas with a whizzer wheel, and then recut the recess for the Allen bolt and throw it all back together like I was never there. So let's see how I do. Almost there. All I gotta do is drill a hole and then dress up those treads and then give a file or sand to the edges, and we're done. Usable jaw. Almost done. Good enough for me. Fuck it, that's fine. Alright, that's all back in, and it should be fine. It's a little bit off, but hey, for a $10 vise, I'm not gonna go crazy. And in case anybody's wondering, I did look to buy new jaws for this thing. I do have a couple of sets. None of them bolt up completely. This is I'm guessing it's an import vise because the bolts are metric. So I could screw around, try to find the right jaws, or re-drill the unit to make new jaws fit, which I might if this thing pisses me off, but for hacking around for $10 vise, it should be fine. So the last thing to fix is this thing. This is the threaded portion that the drawbar, the handle, pulls on. I mean, it broke the bolt off, so that's what fastens this thing to the base. So I'm just gonna drill it out, retap it, put a new bolt in it, and it should be off to the races. So I was gonna drill this thing out a few times, then use a left-handed bit to walk the broken bolt out, but I got lucky. Watch this. Wow. That don't make you want to go to church? I don't know what does, but all right, let me clean this thing up and put a new bolt in it and put this fucker back together again. And there you go, all back together again. It's still an ugly $10 vise, but now it's a fully functional ugly $10 vise. Didn't really cost me anything, just some labor. This lines up like it should. This base swivels like it should. Very nice. This comes out. This goes in. You know, vices live a very rough life anyway. I'm going to beat the shit out of it if I even use this thing. I got plenty of vices in my shop. But like I said, it was included with a bunch of other stuff I bought for 10 bucks. How can you go wrong? So if I need it, it'll be sitting here waiting for me. If not, well, I'm sure one of my friends will enjoy it at some point. So there you go. Hope you learned something. If you didn't, well, you just wasted 15 minutes of your time. Sorry. Thanks for watching. Take care.